Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So this is a general reading for Pisces from 1st to 15th of May. I have already shuffled the cards and these are 3 cards showing obstacle, guidance and outcome for the first 15 days. This is a general reading, please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. So the obstacle here is the Fool card. Okay. So are you planning to have take any action on a particular situation which you have been thinking a lot? But at the same time, when you are going to take an action, you have to be mindful that it need not be always how you expect the outcome to be. Okay, it can be you are standing at the cliff, okay, and cliff's edge, and it can be either it will turn out in your favor or it will be a new beginning, right? So listen to your intuition, okay? Don't ignore so many things. You have to be very mature taking that before taking that step. Take the calculated risk, okay? Drop off any past baggage if you have any, because if you move for something carrying on your past baggage, it may not always be very positive for you, okay? So you have to be very intuitively take the call if you are looking for taking any action. It's also like you have surrendered everything to the universe. Let the universe take it, but universe is also talking to you through your intuitions, okay? So listen to your intuitions before you take the next step, okay? Yeah, let's see what is the guidance here for you Pisces for 1st to 15th of May. Okay, see, the guidance here is basically there may be some situation at an emotional level which might create some turmoil, okay, basically ups and downs at an emotional level. But the guidance here for you is to be stable, to be confident, to deal with the situation in a very mature way, in a very calm and composed manner. You may also be be required to take care of those around you, okay? Because it might be like the situation, it can be anything basically in your family, in your relations, in your career, anything, but mainly I see it is related to the emotions, and you have to be very mindful of the people you are surrounding yourself and the people around you. If the people around you are too much emotionally imbalanced, then you have to be very maturely and calmly handle them also, okay? You do not have to lose your temper, you do not have to let your emotions overpower you, okay? You have to be very calm and composed when you're dealing with the situation basically. So it's also like if when you're taking this action here and you're not able to get what you are planning, that might also cause some disturbance, okay? So you do not have to lose hope, you do not have to give up, you have to be very stable, and in a very mature way you have to deal with the situation. Let's see what is the outcome coming here for you Pisces 1st to 15th of May. See, 3 of swords. So here, as I was saying, right, emotional turmoil. So when you are dealing with so many emotions, you might also be, when it's like when you help others to overcome their emotions, you do not show your pain, right? And when you do not show your pain to others, it's like you are kind of, not healing yourself. You are not able to heal yourself, not able to look after your own emotions, which is not good, right? So you have to basically also take care of your own emotions. You have to focus on self-love, on healing yourself. You also have to focus on making sure that you are helping others and you are helping yourself too, okay? Okay, that's the general reading, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you have liked it, and for daily tarot insights. And if you want me to make the detailed tarot readings for the next 15 days of May and the coming months, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.